everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, got another video. This is going to be, we're at a community garden right now. I forgot the name of this community garden right here, but I will get the name of it. It's in South Dallas, right off Martin Luther King. It's actually Edgewood and Peabody. They have a lot of good methods here to learn. They do composting. They sift their compost. They do rainwater collecting. They have raised beds, numerous raised beds, and also too, if you'd like to come and join here, they will allow you to pick your raised bed. You know, of course, you have to work out something. However, the agreement is to get your raised bed. You're going to come in, maintain, and help out and stuff. Should be no problem. But I'll get the information to you in another video. So I'm just going to give you a walk around tour right now, and see what's going on here. So as you can see, they have these plants right here on a trellis type system. These vegetables on a trellis type system. Looks like their beds are roughly about 12 feet long. This is gonna harvest a lot of tomatoes right here. And actually, that plant right next to it, that's spearmint. And you can actually smell it. It smells really good. Tastes really good too. Woo, wow. Wow, oh my God. Oh, that aroma is, oh wow. Magnificent. Look at that. I believe this is some type of squash, a yellow squash or a summer squash. It doesn't have anything on it yet, but it's coming. That little, I believe that's a pear tree right there. So we're gonna walk back here. You see they have the tomatoes. I believe this is cucumber. No, I'm wrong. I'm not. It may be cucumbers. I'm not sure. This is some more squash right here. Full bed full of squash. Yellow squash. This is also what I'm growing in mine. Looks really good right now. Got some yellow squash and some crookneck squash in there. Get the tomatoes. Oh wow, they're looking very good. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. All the tomatoes. Wow, looks really good. I believe these are beans right here. These little plants right here, these are beans. Should be navy beans, I believe. Look similar to navy beans, but I could be wrong. Now, I did talk about worms. You see that black barrel right there? That's a worm bin. It's really good for breeding worms. You get a lot of worms in there. Keep feeding them that food and they're gonna continue to grow. That's a worm bin. So here's the method of doing the composting in the pallets. Basically, you let it sit and you just keep adding material in there, and it's just gonna keep breaking down. You see it's filled up right now, but as time goes by, that's gonna be reduced in size, half that size. So a few months gonna pass by and that's gonna be all the way down halfway. See the water containers? This is how they water. You see they have rainwater collecting. They have a hose running from here so that you can walk in the garden and water. Very nice setup. And this contraption right here, this is a compost sifter. So when you have compost and you have big chunks of wood and all different type of material in your compost, like you see down here, you put it on that compost sifter and you have to shake it, and all the fine material gets separated. So you want the fine material separated from all the big chunks in your compost. So we'll walk up a little bit closer to this. You can see that mesh screen. That's all it is a mesh screen. You take that compost and you put it on there like so, and you can see all the fine material falls through. And as you're shaking it, it breaks all that clumped up dirt and everything together. It breaks all of that down to a fine material. So I'm also going to be doing that too as well. So you see on a larger scale here versus how I'm doing it in my backyard. This is on a little bit larger scale than I'm doing. This is very manageable, especially when you have help. This is very manageable. And this is also a great way to get started. You know, go to a community garden, get your hands in the soil, you know, taste some fresh fruit, taste some fresh herbs. You know, they may have some okra growing and you can taste some of that okra right off the plant. But this is an awesome way to get started. Very beautiful. They have community gardens all over the cities, these major cities in different states. Just type in Google and search for community gardens in your area. I'm trying to set my camera back up here. I don't have my tripod like I have at home, so hopefully this doesn't fall off here. I'm gonna have to run over here real quick and catch it. This is a very nice day to be out here learning. You got some free time, you know, go to the community garden. You can start learning some of this, you know, let the children come out with you. Let them put their hands in that dirt, get off that cell phone, get off that game. Let them put their hands in some real soil and see where their food comes from. It's very important. So they won't come to expect that Walmart is the only solution, or Kroger or Tom Tom is the only solution to get food, you know? It's very different for a child to see food coming up out of the ground, you know, because they get a sense of where it comes from, you know? You don't always have to have money to go buy food. You can grow your own food. All right, everybody. Thank y'all for watching my content. Thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for subscribing. And for y'all who haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button right there. It's just a red, that red button right there says subscribe. And also too, there's a little bell right next to that. Hit that. It's a notification bell. So every time I post a video, you know, some very great information, you can get the notification that I made a video. There it went. I was afraid of that. No damage. Let's go ahead and finish this up. As like I said, I don't have my tripod with me, so we're gonna finish this video up. So thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. We're gonna make some of the earth. This is so good. Get some of that dirt in your hands and just feel it. Peace out, everybody.